current legislation on Lyme disease has included at least two pieces at the federal level that have been significant. And the first one happened in 2015, and it was legislation that allowed Lyme disease to be put into something called CDMRP, Congressionally Directed Medical Research Program. It's funded through the Department of Defense budget. And what happens is there are diseases put in there that affect not just the military, but their dependents. And so it's difficult to get diseases in there. So we worked with Congressman Chris Smith and he worked with Congressman Frelinghuysen in New Jersey, and we were successful in getting that put into CDMRP. So that provided new research monies, small to start with, but we have hopes that that will increase, for tick-borne diseases in general. And then what happened in 2016, we were successful in getting our Lyme language, and I say it that way because originally it was a standalone bill, which we did get passed in the House, but then what had to happen is the language was incorporated into 21st Century Cures Act, which is really significant because that covers many diseases. Now, the purpose of that language for Lyme disease was to establish a working group in the government. Now, there's already a tick-borne disease working group, but the problem with that is that that has no outside partners. There's only federal partners. There are no patients sitting on that group. There are no treating physicians. Now, these are stakeholders, important stakeholders in Lyme disease. We needed them to sit at the table. So this language that we were able to write and get pushed through, and then finally to get included in 21st Century Cures, which the Lyme Disease Association played a large role in, that language, which passed and was signed into law, will create this working group, and we hope finally, after all these decades, that Lyme disease patients will have a voice at the table to help say to the government, this is the kind of research we need. We don't need the kind of research that has given us nothing as patients, that have led us to have sick families, that have led us to be able to lose our jobs and have our children be home from school. We need research that's going to provide real answers with 21st century technology included. And that's what we hope to see out of that.